Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create admin panel without doing any code here, and we are going to use free AI, and the AI name is OpenCode CLI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can install it and how you can actually create admin panel design user interface. Okay, so this is really simple. Let me show you. At first you have to actually install OpenCode CLI in our PC. So to install OpenCode CLI, you have to actually check that if you have Node.js in your PC or not. So go to the command prompt and type node-v. Here you will get Node.js version. If you don't get this, it means you have to install Node.js in your PC. And if you get here version, it means you already installed it, right? So basically you have to actually install Node.js, and I'm not going to show you the process because this is really simple, right? Just go to the browser and go for the Node.js org, click here download, and then you have to select LTS, okay, long-term support. Here you can see LTS, and then download the .msi and install it. That's it. Now we will actually go for the OpenCode CLI. So I have already uploaded video how you can actually install OpenCode CLI. So I'm not going to show you the process, and I will actually add it in the I button, okay, so that you can actually see how you can actually install OpenCode CLI. But let me show you actually. I hope the video will not be bored. Okay, so here you can see we have to actually go to the anomaly code. Okay, in this link you have to go there, and here you will find bunch of different links. Here you can see, go with the link called anomaly code. Sometimes the name will be changed. No matter, if you go inside it, you have to actually scroll a little bit down, you will find installation section. Here you can see. So basically you just have to run this command. So if you don't want to go there, just copy this code, okay, from this video. Okay, what you have to do, you have to actually open your command prompt as administrator. You can see run as administrator. So click here and now select yes, and okay, fine. So I have actually opened twice. So yeah, here you can see. Now I will right click on it to paste it, but I haven't actually copied this, so I'm going to copy this at first. All right, copy this, go back, paste it here by right click on it. Let me zoom it. Here you can see npm i-g opencode-ai at latest. Okay, so you don't have to actually go there, you just can copy this. Okay, that's it. npm i, so npm to actually install the package, and then interface of OpenCode globally. -g means globally, then OpenCode-ai at latest, the latest version. If you hit enter, then it will be actually installed. I'm not going to show you the installation process because I already installed it in my PC. What you have to do, you have to actually say here OpenCode --version when you actually install it completely, then hit enter, and if you get the version, it means you have successfully installed it. I already installed it. Here you can see. Now I'll actually create a project now. So I'm going to create a project here in the desktop for the tutorial purpose. So I'm going to click here folder, and I'm going to say test-ai. So this will be our project name, and now I'll go inside this project, and here if you right click on it, and you will find open terminal. On the other hand, you can actually click here in the address bar and type cmd and hit enter. There will be command prompt will be open here. Here you can see currently I'm in desktop, and this is our folder name, and here I'm going to actually say OpenCode because I have installed OpenCode globally, so I can access it anywhere from my PC. Alright, OpenCode, and then hit enter, then OpenCode will be open here. Now if I say here any prompt or anything, let's say I want to say here that what actually I want to do, and I have to actually mention here, and then if I hit enter, then it will actually create project for us. But we are not going to give here random or manual prompt because our prompt will be very bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the chat GPT, or you may go with any other GPT like DeepSeek, you have Gemini, right? So go for any of it, and what you have to do, you have to mention what you actually want, and then ask for a professional prompt for this OpenCode CLI. What happened to my internet connection? This is I think ChatGPT actually we can actually go for the Gemini, right? I'll go to the Gemini, Google Gemini, and here I'll ask for a prompt. So I mentioned at first that I need a prompt for my project where I want to, okay, I want to write the prompt at first. So I will actually welcome back. Here you can see this is my prompt. I have just mentioned all the information what I need actually. So you can actually give here all the information related to your project, but for the tutorial purpose actually I want to go with as simple as possible. Now I will hit enter for the prompt. Here you can see give me a prompt. So it will actually give me a prompt, and that prompt will actually add in the OpenCode CLI. Okay, and here you can see the prompt. So we are going to go through this prompt, and then if we think that the prompt is okay with our terms and conditions, then we can actually paste it, okay, in the terminal. So here I am actually okay with it because currently I am showing you the tutorial. So yes, this is for the tutorial purpose, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy everything from here. So copy this. Alright, now let's go back to the OpenCode, and here I'm going to paste it. So paste by pressing Ctrl+V from your keyboard. Here you can see pasted approximately 29 lines. Now hit enter, and then it will actually complete the whole project for us. Now I will actually pause the video, and when the project will be complete I will actually back. Okay, welcome back. Here you can see it create all the pages for us: login, dashboard, users, settings, and products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the project directory, and here you can see we have everything here, right? So now if I click on dashboard, here you can see this is the dashboard. Alright, we got here dashboard, and we have users page also, we have products, here you can see we have settings also. Now it create admin panel for us. Now you can actually integrate this admin panel through to any project, let's say PHP or Laravel project. Okay, you just have to integrate it. Okay, that's it. So it creates this admin panel for us, right? Awesome admin panel. So guys, that's it. This is how actually you can do this. You can create admin panel through OpenCode CLI, totally free. So if this video helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching.